Hi, it's Michael Battaglia from DRP Solutions, back with our Consider Your Safety series. Again, we'll be discussing how to protect and monitor your business. Today, we'll be focusing on surveillance systems and highlight one of our local partners. We all know the purpose of video surveillance is to safeguard your business. However, you may be unfamiliar with how much that technology has advanced over the past decade. The cameras themselves have been upgraded in quality, but the software controlling those physical cameras have undergone tremendous improvements. These systems can now produce critical business insights that many industries desperately needed. Our partner VICON, who is a leader in the surveillance space, has developed a video management system to provide powerful features to enhance your security posture. Their system delivers AI driven analytics that automatically detects events and reports them in real time. We listed some events you may want to keep track of, but you'll also get features like temperature scanning and facial recognition. Along with the real-time monitoring and alerts, you'll receive business intelligence reports related to customer behavior tracking, traffic flows, and retail heat maps. The data can be valuable for optimizing security and marketing operations. There's so much more to learn about video surveillance, so check out our ebook, continue following DRP Solutions, subscribe to our tips and tricks newsletter, and we'll talk to you all next week.